Okay, hello guys. So today I'm going to cook some, actually no, not cook. I'm going to make a Caesar salad, and yeah,
I need to
so
wash hands first.
I'm gonna wash my hands first. Cause hygiene is important. It's really important. Okay, now as you can see, my ingredients are a bowl of lettuce, a few baby tomatoes, a cucumber, and a pepper, bell pepper. This is my station where I'm going to cut my vegetables. This is for the lettuce. This is my salad dressing for the end. And these are the little breads that I'm going to use also. Okay, so first I'm gonna wash these vegetables. We'll start with the cucumber. That's good. I'll take one more. Okay. So now I take all my cucumbers and then I put them in the main bowl. Like this, as you can see. And now I'm going to move on by cleaning the tomatoes and then the pepper. And now I need to clean my knife. And I'll put all my baby tomatoes in the, as you can see, chopped up, all nice, cleaned up. I'm gonna put them here. And now the pepper. I'm gonna take off the middle part first. And then after that, I'm gonna start cutting. Okay, that's good. Now I'll cut up the pepper. And I'll clean the insides out because it has these little seeds in them. So, okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, they're good too. Gonna wash them one more time. Because why not? We need to be hygienic. So I'll wash these. Now, this is the pepper that I'm going to add over here. So now it looks like this. Not so bad. Just gonna eat this cucumber. Okay. Now I'll start with my lettuce. With this huge machine, it makes it work easier. So I'm gonna take the cap out here, like this. My lettuce. I'm gonna put it in like that. Okay, nothing in there anymore. I'm gonna fill this up with water. Okay. And now I'll start cleaning up the lettuce. Put the cap back on. That's good. Now so now I'm cleaning the lettuce, as you can see. Okay, I guess that should be enough. Take the cap out. Okay. Now I'm gonna put all the water that was in there back out. So take this green part out. Voila! I'm gonna put this water back in there. And here's my lettuce. It's finished, it's all nice. Now I'm just going to cut it a bit, and then I'm going to add it to my salad. And of course my knife is clean. Okay. Get these out too. Okay, so now I'll put them in my food bowl. There you go, so nice. I'm so hungry. Okay, so now as you can see, it's full of lettuce, and then under there's everything. So I'm just going to bring all the ingredients together, top, bottom, wherever it is. Okay, that's good. Put the pepper on top. Yeah, just like that. It's nice. Get some tomatoes. Okay, so now I'm going to start putting on my dressing, and after that the bread. So here, I'll show you while I'm putting it on. I won't put too much because my athlete does not need a lot of this. It's just to give the food a bit more flavor. So here, and yep, that's it. Not too much. And for the final touch, I'm going to add my little bread pieces in. So my meal looks really appealing and good to eat. And finally, I'm going to wash my hands one more time. Because hygiene is really important. Okay, so I'd like to show you my finished product. It's a Caesar salad right there. It's nice for me. I think it's pretty appealing. Has all the nice touches. And now I'd like to talk about the nutritional information of this. So first of all, this approximately has 340 calories in it. its total fat is 20 grams. It has because of all that dressing, even though it wasn't that much, it includes approximately 900 milligrams of sodium, which I would not prefer if if the athlete had a high blood pressure. But I think overall it wouldn't be it's still not a really bad meal, so I would still prefer it for people to eat it. And then it has its total carbohydrates are 10 grams. It has 10 grams of protein. But from this Caesar salad, I would not prefer it to people who have an allergic reaction for dairy products, because this thing includes dairy, such as it's like kind of like a cheese Caesar salad topping. So people who have allergic reactions against dairy should not consume this product. And it um, and this product is this meal is also really good for vegetarians. I mean, vegetarians can eat this because it doesn't include anything that has meat or so and so. So it's good. I mean, so vegetarians can actually eat this. And now I would like to say why I would choose this as a starter meal for my athlete. Because first of all, I think that 340 calories is a good amount for just one starter meal for a cross country skier. It's the athlete that I chose to work on. It's pretty healthy, because if you see like the proportion between like the dressing and the vegetables are higher. It's not just vegetables, which is because I would not like to eat vegetables. I don't think anyone would just like eat in a salad with no topping, nothing appealing. Just basically eating tomatoes and lettuce. I don't think that would be good. So like I want it to be appealing for my athlete and also healthy at the same time. And that's what I tried to do here. But I still tried to make it more healthy. I would, as I said, not prefer this meal for people who have, for the athletes that have high blood pressure, because it includes quite a bit of sodium. I mean, yeah, it includes sodium, quite a bit. And then also, I would prefer it to vegetarians because they can eat them. And yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to eat this right now. Bye.